Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the rear door panel on a 2017 Honda CRV. Start out by taking your small plastic pry tool and we're going to pry off this window control unit. Just take the tip of the pry tool and get it underneath the back side and just pry up on it. And then unplug it by pushing this tab and pulling out. And then inside there is a Phillips screw that needs to come out. Next, take your skinny plastic pry tool again, and we're going to pop off this corner cap. Just go underneath it and pop it off. Next, you're going to need a wider plastic pry tool. You can get these sets on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description and we can get these. And you're going to want to take your wide one and you're going to drive it underneath, actually between the door and the door panel itself. And place one hand on the door panel and the other on the plastic pry tool and pull out at the same time. And then just pull directly out on the door panel and it pops right off. And that's it guys, door panel's off. Thanks for watching.